Hey guys, today's tutorial is how to do jumping side kick. Yeah, that is one of the most famous kick in demonstration. So you need to master the regular side kick. You can train the side kick while you stand and you kick sideways, or you can add squat. This is variation, so because I myself quadriceps especially that is the one that responsible to the side kick power, so you need to squat to increase your side kick power, and then after you are comfortable with static side kicks, you can do side kicks while moving. And yeah, this is how I put my leg form the jumping side kick. So if I kick with my right foot, I will put my left foot in front, then I will step a little bit with my left foot, then jump. I use my right foot to lead and jump, then kick. Yeah, so that's it. Then after you're comfortable with that, you can run to increase your kick power. Okay guys, that's it. See you on the next video.